right, ladies and gentlemen, with a welcome on our back, still on top of the late night show, all right? Based on the gist we're just giving out just now, on top the cocoa, and making our go W late night show, go give us on our own gist about the whole thing, all right? On our own gist about the whole thing. Waiting the video talk, and at the same time, the by force touchlighting, where that guy talks, say, now the women 9 days responsible for any rape attack we then do on top of their body, all right? But as it be like this now, won't bring in my first guest for the day. This guy, very funny somebody, and he like packaging. Somebody who has seen starts from the beginning, and now he done there where, you know, God is taking him to the final destination of the ministry. Ladies and gentlemen, a comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. His name, Ajele. Ajele. Come inside the building, my brother. Yo! Hey!
Carry song to this one now. DJ, you know get...
This one. What do you call this? This one. What do you call this one?
I know they like that. It's too early.
Hey! Oh my God.
I got lost.
Why they put me for mood? My brother, it's just a kind of mood where you enter, you just unleash the craze. You say, get this suit they put person for packaging.
No be like sha.
We go wear suit, you the form corporate.
You know, since I don't enter Wazobia TV, now never English still enter my mouth.
You see the word, try enter your mouth.
As I craze, so
Talk to you unleash you go come out the button. These
me,
comedians, you know they fat. A couple of times I know they make progress for life. What's wrong with you?
my brother.
College here.
God no go bless you with all this kind of we'll get to.
No, but Ajele, I know you sis. Before you be like me. For the size matter. Una plenty now. You, Sheyi Law, Elenu natural. Elenu right from poverty, still be like that. From poverty era. Elenu just big. Poverty look big on him. Riches still look big on him.
No be lie. When before I come here, I drink a bag of pure water.
Only you?
We get NAFDAC number. No be any pure water.
Seriously? Which one take they sell Gary?
My brother.
Because different Gary water deals. Some they use tap, some they use pure water, some they use bottled water.
So that year, if you use tap water,
yes,
the Gary go there to woof.
Go to swear.
You go to swear. But if you use pure water these days, you don't do normal.
Okay, so that are the difference.
But no go waste your time. Go they use table water until they drink Gary. Now waste of time.
Now waste of time.
You know they sweet.
You know they sweet.
You don't go know. Now when better poverty hold you, now you go know.
Oh, so you need to talk from experience now,
my brother.
Seriously.
Why they talk like this if they get the experience?
When
it is of Thomas Animal Show.
My brother! Blagaye. No, we know that here. Now the start God say, see, now God will see the taco.
No be lie.
See, I bet find God to win. Find God to win. We all the jam the whole thing. Because seriously, for the whole matter, now God nice to win.
Now God do.
All that year of suffering.
I even remember. Hey! When I did carry that year, now my friend introduced me to Emeka. You know Emeka Smith now? Your brother. And so carry me go meet Emeka Smith. Say, Emeka! Ajele need help. I don't know say Emeka need help pass me.
He no tell you the full story. All those kind of help you go find. I can't tell you say, man, my brother.
Now when I go see my senior colleagues, say, bros, now I see how they wash clothes. I can't they see bed sheets, say pillowcase. I can't they look, say, don't be your house today. Say, man, I just help my auntie. When we say, but we thank God, the ministry.
We thank the Lord, the ministry, the move. But Ajele, that what?
My brother.
Where you did since? What did they happen since? Because for a long time now, I never see this my guy, my G.
Well, I always have this mindset that for this industry, you're not going to specific rush.
Okay.
You just have to wait for the right time.
Okay.
Because it's easy to get there. Sure you get. But it's not easy to
remain
up there forever. Sure. I would rather take my time so that I go get there. So that if I get there, I know come.
You go sit down where?
I go sit down.
You go sit down. You spread. Because some people not to know.
Say,
see this thing, most times people always say, man, we just rush. I want blow.
And you know, so some people, even if them transfer them from Lagos to headquarters,
yes,
Bono, they no blow.
Yeah, no go blow.
I don't see upcoming, will be upcoming for 15 years. It never come.
But you know, there is some interview that's true. Some interview they say, how long are you an upcoming artist? Yes. How long? 14 years now.
When you want
14
come?
years. When you want come? When you want come blow finish? Which year? If you have people in history,
Oh, blood. Seriously.
Especially all those artists where they carry CD up and down track 2. I don't know one. Since 2001. You see they form all those people, they sang.
Yeah.
I say, when you won't come? Well, thank God, we still they pray for them.
They play all those are footballers them. When they always claim football age, even they reach 59. They say I'm 22. How come?
Look me well, like how old I be?
You will be like 35. 35.
Might guess your own.
Guess my own.
Fashola go senior you with 3 months. My joli banda. The original father.
Oh, blood. Now, I get what you just talk just now about
Okay.
Davido. Davido. When they ask you a Davido question, I say, man, what you say Sabi do aside from music? He say, nah, man, I do. Nice Sabi do. What do you see about that particular response as a 13 where you be yourself?
Me, I no go blame Davido.
Okay.
Davido fit do anything. Since the day when Davido carry Oyibo white man come Nigeria, they shout for them, I will take you overseas. Where did the girl come from?
From that side. Actually, not true. That's a revelation. Not true. But that's true. We're not reasoning from that side though. But that's true.
Hey, you carry Oyibo, carry her for your phone, they shout, I will take you overseas.
I'll take you overseas.
Where did the girl come from? So
Now scam.
No be lie.
Now scam.
No be
That's
lie.
it.
So if you can't tell me now, say apart from music, now that, now you sabi do.
Wait, do I begin?
You are not born again. Bad guy.
But I try to be. You understand me? But I said,
Down the street, the man enter street.
wait.
I been just leave me for this suit I wear. So
My brother, come forget suit, forget packaging. See, this show that we will get our own. Our own are just
do it again.
down 9 be the
I know where this place.
down 9 be when they just open.
Okay.
Now the launching be that. So your own way you do now. Do that again.
No triangle. Your tongue no go break.
Oh, no, you jam solid things. All right. Okay, so quickly.
No mind Davido.
Comedy now. More leave Davido and his issues. Comedy now. For you now, because most people, you know, they always ask questions sometimes. Say, waiting the inspiration, they always be for people as comedians and them. Waiting be done your worst, terrible, and most annoying moment on top stage. Everybody they get their own. When you're rich, we just say with the collar koboko. So put the collar bomb. That moment is when you reach stage.
They shook you.
They say they shook you. Something that.
Like comedian.
See, for those of you that don't know, we comedians say, we see, now we be our own judge, now we be our own lawyer, now we just kill ourselves. When comedians say for audience, they watch their fellow comedian for stage. Where come the battle? He knock the first joke. He not work. You go see what comedian do.
Now that's how they always say, ladies and gentlemen, please, for all the beautiful ladies in the house, can we all put their hands together with their clap? And for everybody that are going to be involved themselves in the election, please put your hands together for their clap. For all the organizers of the show, put your hands together for nothing they happen. As a B, DJ, play one track first.
They don't find any way to just escape the thing. Comedy no easy.
No easy, no be.
People
no
wey
be
no
smart.
know.
No be smart.
But what if that your moment for stage where you already say, man, your leg just cold, say, man, these guys they just harsh for my matter. The way you remember that night, like say now your own, they pack your blood for ground.
My brother, now open mic night.
Open mic night. Because that year, yes, you enter for AY open mic night and everything.
Me, Lucky Child, Acapella, and some other comedians. And, I don't prepare for this joke.
Hi.
Say today they go die. I don't even keep the joke for last.
Hi.
And so I drag him. When I say drop him, bang! And only my girlfriend laugh.
She just the role.
I can't they explain the joke to them and say, boy, if I dey crack this joke somewhere, they funny.
The funny. That moment. When you don't go see it, you can't use
But you know,
place.
say na that explanation come me the joke funny. Say if I dey crack this joke somewhere, it dey funny now people come really laugh. Now so I take
Qualify for the whole thing.
enter the next level.
But
Since that day, I don't ever get that.
yes, because you know, say sometimes I will say, what be your worst moment sometimes. Not be everybody really don't get like worst moment. Because it depends on how you take out.
Because you know, preparation is the main thing. You just
Yes,
have to
yes.
prepare yourself. Forget say with the freestyle most times. You just have to be very, very prepared.
What do you think say go work for any comedian? Say if you say most because some comedians they they grow into the thing. They not get natural.
No be lie.
But the growing when they grow into the thing, see they work for them.
No be lie, no be
they thief joke,
No be lie.
they remix joke,
That kind
they resurrect joke.
Some they re-edit joke.
They re-edit joke. You understand? Some punk they just get them naturally. Which of these two you feel say for any comedian way they outside, which of them they work?
Now, let me say that as a tease, as I submit, blessing my English a little too much.
No, you guys. Now this packaging, now the packaging, they bring out your English in you.
Okay, now, if you look at the comedy industry of Nigeria right about now, it is not about being funny.
Wait. You don't enter the English again. Nobody English will take come up for area.
Now, area they do for your side, but me, I'm a good. Ah, but I'm a skill apple. I wish I to someone else.
Yeah.
I'm your suit to my cat go to the lake on your suit.
All right, so
the shit material taste to.
bedsheet material. But this particular one, it be like horse skin.
No, they enter me for your show.
No, I'm not going to enter you. No. I don't feel enter you. Now, how will they enter? I'm not the enter man. What's wrong with you?
Except you don't come from. As they talk.
As we're talking.
Now, what me I feel be say, if you are naturally gifted as a comedian,
Yes.
you just need to learn the things you have to do in the comedy industry. For the fact, so you get talented. I'm talking about the likes of Gandoki, those kind of naturally talented.
Natural.
I'm talking about the senior colleagues of ours that are naturally talented. They still learn. Just, it's not about you cracking joke.
Exactly.
What if you find yourself in a big event, in a corporate event, and now only joke if you sell?
And lawyers they around
Lawyers
sit down.
dey.
We dissect everything.
What you go do? So what me I feel be say, even if you just bump into comedy,
Yes.
all you need to do is just for you to try as much as possible to be original. If you think joke, so you won't get. If you don't get that one, say you're funny. Now to come package yourself, because now the packaging, now your money
Last oh.
now the money day.
Last.
So it's not about being funny alone, the Nigeria comedy of nowadays.
Not just so
it's
funny.
not just
At the
funny.
same time, you go still know the road to take waka. Because last for this whole thing, you go funny rich, you go funny for your parlor,
Aye.
funny for your area,
Aye.
funny for your compound.
Aye.
My brother.
For my church now, I may be their best comedian.
And that's what the lesbian. Everybody, any comedian, their own church.
The days of Thomas Animal. What's the name of the church again?
Redeemed Christian Church of God, House of Faith.
For the days of the IZ.
We don't take. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll sit down to the P. All right, so we're not go anywhere. The show continue very, very soon. Right now, we'll soon carry our second guest enter into the building. Another comedian will follow and still gist on top of the matter, and then from there we'll go still reason some other things on top of the show. Right, so we're not go anywhere. We'll come back after this break. So easy bit, knock out.
I don't get a lot, God do it. And I don't pay my rent, God do it. There be one for my hand, but God do it. There be one keep my joy, but God do it. I say anything and do not God do it. Do not God do it. Do not God do it, no. Anything and do not God do it. Do not God do it. Do not God do it, no. I don't change my name to God do it. And no more, I don't buy more to God do it. They say my market no go sell, but God do it. And then we say I no